Let's see how to add or change profile picture in Microsoft Teams. Once you're in your Microsoft Teams app, click on your profile picture or initials. From the drop-down menu, select Edit Profile. Click on your current profile picture or the camera icon next to your initials. And then you'll be prompted to either upload a photo from your device or choose one from your file storage. So after uploading your image, you can crop or adjust if necessary. And once you're happy with your photo, just click Save to update your profile. And that's how to add or change your profile picture in Microsoft Teams. See you soon!